In this video, I will guide you on how to change payment method in Progressive Insurance. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to progressive.com, or you can also open the Progressive Insurance app. Now click on the login option. Here you will have to enter your credentials, so go ahead and enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered all these details, tap on the login option. Once you have been logged in, open My Account page. Here, find and click Manage Payment Methods. Click Add Credit Card/Add Bank Account option. Here you want to enter your details. So enter card or bank information, account name and number, your CVV code if that is applicable. Then click on the Save option. Now you want to select the payment method you want to remove. Click on the trash icon next to it, then confirm your deletion. Your payment method in Progressive Insurance is now updated. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.